Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to replace picture from the search web in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your docs.y file. Firstly, replace picture from the search web in Google Docs is click for the picture option, click. Then you can say and go into the replace option and replace image option for click, and then click for the search web option and click for the search image option. Then NSO's picture and image. NSO's picture, click and click for the replace option. This is okay. Then I show the replace picture from search web in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.